Good morning, folks. Here at the beautiful historical Packard Library. Looks like we had some wind damage yesterday. Well, I don't know how old these trees are, but pretty old. It's possible this might have been the hanging tree. The one over there back in the old gold rush era. I'm not really sure. There's a stump over there, it could have been. Or I guess it could have even been that one. But just shows how windy it was. Alright, well, there's the exciting adventure today. Glad I didn't hear about anybody getting hurt when this fell. God bless, good morning. Till next time.